Understanding Cylinder Repair, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and context of the phrase, cylinder repair. This might seem like a technical term, but we'll break it down together, making it easy to understand. Let's dive in. First, let's understand what a cylinder is. In simple terms, a cylinder is a shape or an object with a circular base and straight sides, like a can or a tube. However, in machinery and engines, cylinders are crucial parts. They are chambers where a piston moves up and down, commonly found in engines. This movement helps to power the engine. So, when we talk about cylinders here, we're mainly referring to these engine parts. Now, let's look at the word repair. To repair something means to fix it or restore it to a good condition. Repairing is a common activity in various fields, from simple tasks like repairing a bicycle to complex ones like fixing machinery. When we combine these two terms, cylinder repair refers to the process of fixing or restoring the cylinder in an engine or machine. This can involve various tasks like sealing leaks, fixing cracks, or replacing worn-out parts. Cylinder repair is essential in automotive and mechanical industries, as it ensures that engines and machines run efficiently and safely. Understanding cylinder repair is not just about knowing what it means. It's also important to recognize its significance. Proper cylinder repair can increase the lifespan of an engine, improve performance, and prevent accidents. It's a critical skill for mechanics and a vital concept in industries like automotive, manufacturing, and engineering. I hope this video has helped you understand what cylinder repair means and why it's important. Remember, learning a language also involves understanding the context and application of phrases in real-life scenarios. Keep practicing, and you'll master these terms in no time. See you in our next lesson.